Hey, if you want to copy and paste on your Android phone, first you have to select text that you want to copy. So for example, I'm gonna do this with this introduction. So I have to click and hold with my finger, and when this blue selection appears, there's two dots that I can move to enlarge this selection. So I want to get everything from this introduction. And to copy, just click right here. If you don't have this option, you can tap on these three dots and we can take a look for it right here. So click once, and right now if you want to paste this, you can simply do this, for example, anywhere. So I'm gonna do this in this search address. I have to hold with my finger and then tap paste. But the second method to do this, if you have the clipboard enabled, you can tap on this icon, and you can also find this just right here. Even when it's turned off, as you can see, it still appears. So you can click and it will be passed wherever you want. And that's how it looks. Bye bye.